Hello, Black Hawk Cougars. Mrs. Sutliff here. Today I want to show you how you can get to Typtastic so that you can practice your typing at home. Everybody's computer has a kickstand shortcut, but you also have a Chrome shortcut on your desktop. If you double-click Chrome, it'll open your internet, and you will have a little C over here in the corner. Mine is inside a puzzle piece here. Yours might be inside a puzzle piece, or you might just have a little C over in the corner. Click that to open up Clever. Use your badge to log in, or your password to get into your computer also works to get into Clever. Go ahead and log in. This is what teachers see. I'm going to quickly switch to what the students will see. All right. Now this is going to be new for people. This is how to get to the library website from within Clever. There's a Destiny link down here. Just look for the Destiny in the blue. Click on that. And now we have the library website where you can get to your coding home pages, but I also have Typtastic both in the kindergarten section and in the first grade section. It doesn't matter where you click, it'll take you to Typtastic. There are lots of units that you can do within Typtastic. Okay, start with Unit 1, My Keyboard Adventure. Click here to open. There's 3 different things you can do, and then down here there's tons. So I suggest you start at the beginning. The first has you practicing clicking. Oops, a big friend of mine just broke his keyboard. Let's build a fun keyboard that's big enough for an elephant. So we're going to be clicking on the letters. I'm selecting the letters that are up here. So this will teach you how to use your mouse pad, and then, whoops, I need to click over and then drop. And this will show you where the letters are on your keyboard. Okay, so this is the first activity. There are tons of activities to do. You can just X out if you want to go back and do a different unit. Okay, so we'll spend about a month or two working on our typing skills within Typtastic. That's about it for today's lesson. Remember to practice your typing at home.